Yo, what's going on, everyone? Hope you all had an amazing day. I'm about to go over with you guys the trades I took today. I took 3 trades. I tried to take a 4th trade, but ended up not filling. But yeah, let's go over those today. So, first trade I took on the day was Facebook. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up here on the daily, kind of show you guys what I was watching and then what ended up happening. So Facebook, I'm watching, 2 key levels today. I was watching the all-time high break above 375.50 and, below into this gap fill was all I'm watching to the downside. I didn't know if Facebook had earnings after hours today. So I was looking for a potential run up into earnings. And so essentially what I was looking for was this all-time high break. What ended up happening was, the all-time high was down here, and we ended up pushing up pre-market, breaking that all-time high break, and then we pulled back. So I marked that level there. Right at market open, what I was watching, we saw a pullback here, and right when we got up to here, I saw a wall on the level 2 at 375.50, and I knew if we broke through that, we would need to see a nice pop up. So I got in, and the second I got in, literally a second and a half later, we popped all the way up to here, and I took profits at the top of this candle. And I ended up getting about 10% on those contracts right there. And I literally held it for less than 20 seconds, like 18 seconds it looks like. Good thing I got out, because this thing totally peaked out and then came crashing down. Like some other things right away that day, and it ended up being a fake out. So good thing I took profits. I've been taking profits quick in these markets. It's very choppy. It's summertime. It's just chop everywhere. So that was the first trade I took. Amazing trade. The second trade I was watching was BA, and I didn't take this. What I was watching for BA was, this gap and go play. It gapped up from earnings, and I was watching a break above this high, and I tried to enter right here and didn't get filled for the bounce here, and I would have hopefully taken profits up there, but it ended up coming back down, so I missed that play. Again, very choppy, very hard to trade this type of stuff. But next play I took was BIIB, and this was a really good trade. So this has been kind of trading in a zone down here. Let me pull this up on a smaller time frame. Pull it up on the 15 minutes. So it's trading in this zone down here. We broke out, and now I was looking for a break above this high at 335. So I got in just before that break. Saw a really nice push up, and I think I got 10% on those contracts and sold right here on this candle. So we ended up forming a flag. I was watching for that flag to break out, but we didn't break out. We came all the way back down. So these contracts move super nicely on here. They're just pretty spready, large spreads, which means the bid and the ask are separated very large. So you got to be careful with that. So the last and final play that I took was on Snow. This is another, these contracts move amazing. And Snow, I was watching for this break of this pre-market high, or this wick break at 266. What I ended up doing, I saw this giant green candle, and I entered here, right around here for the break of 266, and I sold right here on this green candle, and ended up getting about, let's see here, 10% again on that play. So amazing play. It ended up pushing up the rest of the day, and contracts ended up moving, about 50%, but it was kind of just choppy. I would have gotten stopped out here, and then if I would have entered here again, I would have gotten stopped out. If I entered here again, I would have continued to get stopped out for the break of that. So I'm kind of glad that I just took my profits and stepped away. Today marks 2 weeks with 0 red days, so I'm super proud of myself for being able to do that. I might break my record that I hit last year, which was about 24, 25 days, almost a month without having a red day. But obviously that's not the point. The point is just showing up every day and staying consistent and trying to come out green as many days as possible while also taking full advantage of the market. So yeah, that was all of the trades today. And now let's kind of dive into what I'm watching tomorrow. I haven't put together like a watch list or anything, so you guys are all here with me live doing this. So I'm just going to start at the top of my watch list, go through everything, and if I see something, I obviously have some plays in mind that I'm watching, but I'm going to go through everything and go through it with you guys. So first thing, Apple. Not watching anything here. I want to wait for it to get above 150. Disney, not seeing anything. Microsoft, not playing that until above 290. Gonna skip some here and go to Airbnb. Airbnb broke out of this flag here, or this like channel here, not really a flag. And I don't really want to play this until we can break and hold 252. So yeah, it's definitely a lagging stock, so I want to stay away from that. Next thing, Tesla. We watch this every single day. Tesla, as you can see, we were in this giant triangle here. We broke out, could have break 700, formed this flag, came to the downside, bounced 620, came up, couldn't break 700 again, came back down, double bounce on 620, but now it's kind of forming like this symmetrical triangle here, and I'm really looking for a break kind of below here at like 630, and then for the real break of 620, and it would dump below 620. Or I'm looking for a break to the upside here. Tomorrow, the key level I'll probably be watching is around like this 690 area, which is like the high of this candle. The high of this candle is 668.20. So in that area, I'm looking for a break, and then hopefully we can get a push up to 700. No matter what, I love trading Tesla, and I just want to see some direction so we can get some good plays on it. But here's kind of the range I'm watching, and we need it to break out to get some good plays. Next thing I'm watching is NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is looking to break out here. As you can see, it's been consolidating here. I want it to break out, and then I really want it to break 200 to look for entries. So Amazon has earnings tomorrow, so I'll be watching that again. Like, we need to break this downward resistance here to the upside in order to break all-time highs. Contracts are extremely expensive right now on this. Tomorrow I'll also be watching Facebook because we saw a massive dump on Facebook. So we have like this gap fill opportunity. Essentially on Facebook, I don't know what I'll be watching tomorrow, but I'm assuming I have some momentum. Earnings was good on Facebook, so I'm confused why it's down. But it is what it is. It was at all-time highs. So either I'm going to look for a break and hold 376 or for a continuation down tomorrow below 354 to get into puts. Snow, I'm watching this again tomorrow. On Snow, watching a few different key levels. First level I'm watching is 271.50. Second level I'm watching is 275. See, this level is just the high of this candle, and then this is like the high of this initial push here. So yeah, we could see a really good move, but you have to be patient with Snow, and I usually trade it pretty light. Next thing, and a key one I'm watching tomorrow, is AMD. We're actually in an AMD swing right now, and it's up 200%. We were in this flag pattern down here, and we entered in the flag, massive push up, formed this channel here, broke out, continued to the upside, and we're about to break all-time highs. So what I'm watching on here is a break of 99.23, and then the break of 100. This stock deserves to be above 100. So yeah, let's keep a close eye on this tomorrow. I might, to be honest, even enter at the level. By the way, all these yellow lines are entry points that I'm looking at, where the white lines are more just key levels that I'm watching on the larger time frames. So I'll maybe even look to enter this above 98.71, and then hold through. So I'll enter light above 98.71 and then hold through 99.23 and add at that level if we break through, and then look forward to go up to 100, and then if we get that 100 break, that'd be crazy. So Roku, still just waiting for this to hold 486.72, and then Alibaba filled the gap that we were talking about. It filled it pre-market though, so we didn't get to play that, but it continued up. We saw a really nice bounce on Chinese stocks. So yeah, this stock has been getting destroyed though, like just fully tanking. Broke the support here and this came gapping down. So that's a really nice wick on the weekly chart though. So let's see if we can get some buying pressure here. I really don't want to trade this though until I can start showing an upwards direction. So that is all I have for today. Feel free to comment any questions you have, or if you want me to break down any stocks, I can do that. But I will likely see you guys tomorrow. Later.